How's everybody? My name is Shonda Bradley. I'm an inspirational speaker, corporate trainer, and life coach. How's it going with your goal setting? Something that can help you attain your goals is defining a strong why. This is something or someone that you're deeply connected to, and it's the reason you desire to manifest what's in your heart. Now, the whole purpose in establishing a strong why is because it's going to help you keep going when you feel like stopping, especially during those times you start to question, is it even worth it? Like when you get knocked down. But a strong why is what helps you get back up when everybody's suggesting you quit. See, when things get hard and your back is up against the wall, your why is what moves you forward. There's this quote that says, when your why is strong enough, then the how will become easy. I can remember when I was a single mom and I received government assistance and it barely got us by. So I started working on dirty, sometimes freezing cold or blazing hot assembly lines for many years. Now, how was I able to make it and persevere? Because my strong why was based on my who. Who was I working for? My kids. I was able to push through when I felt weak and work crazy overtime. I worked like this up until around my kids were almost young adults. Now your girl has a new narrative. Today, I get to help people bring out their brilliance. I get to help them elevate their mindsets to increase their lives. Listen, a strong why empowers you to write your story with options to live and drive the way you want to live and drive and support organizations you want to support. Or like me, you can help people who you want to help. Do you want to break habits of not following through? And this for a whole lot of people can break some chains and curses of poverty off of you. Do you want to create greater memories with your family and build legacy for your kids? Do you want to become a better you? Then you have to clarify your why, and you have to ask yourself, what's your why behind your why? Because this will help you to keep your motives and your why pure. So like for myself, there was a time I had to clarify my why about being a life coach. I had to go beyond it's something I enjoy doing, but ask myself, okay, is this something that God is even leading me to do? And because it was, it caused me to level up and create structure and strategy so I can serve people and deliver on a higher level. Does that make sense? You must define your why. Why are you setting your goals in the first place?